Saving with Shay. I'm here from our Walmart midweek haul for you. Listen, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this little face right here, I am Shay with the Pow. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Of course, make sure that you like button, hype your girl up. So listen, as far as my midweek, I need 15 offers for $3. I also have a larger bonus, and for that, I think I need 100 offers for $50. So we're gonna see how that plays out. Let me know what you guys got for your big bonus in the comments. We do have the Airwick that popped back up, which is really awesome. I do still have some printables for that. Really quick, let me answer this because I've been getting this question a lot lately when it comes to how to submit receipts. Now, previously, I always did check off 51 first, wait for it to clear, then I would do the sister app. I've been doing the sister app first for like a while now, and then I do check off 51. So I always do whatever the sister app is, and you know you can only submit the same receipt to one sister app, right? And so I submit it to, like, let's say Swagbucks, and then I go and I submit it to check off 51. I do have different email addresses, so definitely take that into consideration as well. I think I have all my sister apps, all 7 of them. I think the only ones that share the same email is Swagbucks and MyPoints because those are my oldest apps. All the other ones have different email addresses. My Checkoff 51, mine and Joseph both have different email addresses that don't correspond with any of the sister apps. And so, yeah, that's just something that you should know as well. What else did I want to mention about that? Because I've been getting that question a lot lately, and I just kind of wanted to just reiterate that. And so with that being said, we're going to head into Walmart. It's going to be a voiceover. I'll probably just take pics or do breakdown pictures for you guys, and we're going to see what kind of awesome deals you can grab today. If you want to see what you're going, you want to do this, like button, keep on watching, and happy good luck.
All right, yeah. So listen, this first deal here is on the Glade. Now, I went ahead and decided to grab this again. It's priced at $11.98, getting back 6 on Swagbucks and 6 on Checkout 51, making this a 2-cent moneymaker. Next up is the Finish. Now, for this offer on Ibotta, it does say the larger count, but it is working on this one here. This is the 11 count, priced at $4.82. I am using a $3 Knox coupon. You'll pay $1.82, getting back to on Ibotta, making this an 18-cent money. All right, so I was happy to see the Airwick pop back up for us. It is priced at $3.97 for the starter kit. I am using a $3 Knox coupon. I am down to my last few. Bringing that total down to 97 cents. Getting back to when I bought, it's going to make this a $1.03 moneymaker. All right, next up is the Degree. Now, I did find some more of the Degree for $2 today. Only thing is, waiting in line, the offer on Checkoff 51 ran out. So I grabbed 4 of them. I paid $8. I'm getting back $6 on Ibotta and 10 on Swagbucks. It's still going to make this an $8 moneymaker, but it would have been nice to get Checkoff 51 as well. All right, so this is probably the deal that I was most excited about. I did find some $3 hang tags at Food for Less a couple days ago. And so, of course, I snagged some. And so the vanilla and the chocolate muscle milk are priced at $7.17. I used a $3 hang tag. It scanned perfectly fine in self-checkout. It brought that total down to $4.17, getting back 3 on Ibotta, making each 4-pack only $1.17. And of course, I had to grab 4, making this an awesome deal. All right, so next up is Target. I only had a few deals to do there. I wanted to try this deal here on the Colgate. I grabbed 2 of the Max Fresh, price at $3.49. I paid $6.98 out of pocket. We have an offer for buy 2, get back 4 on both Swagbucks as well as Checkoff 51. There is a digital, I believe, as well, which I did not clip, bringing this down to $1.02. All right, so I also wanted to try the kids battery toothbrush. I thought we had one for the adult on both Checkoff 51 and Swagbucks, but right now I only have one for the kids. And so grabbing it priced at $5.99, getting back 3 on Swagbucks and 3 on Checkoff 51 is going to make this a 1-cent moneymaker. These last 2 deals I did see M at California Clipper post in her last Target video. So I grabbed 2 of the blue stripes. These are on sale for $4.99. That total is going to come to $9.98. Now, we do have two different offers on Social Nature for buy one, get one free. I went ahead and submitted the receipt twice, basically, getting back $9.98, and then I also had $1 back for each on Ibotta. I'm making this a $2. So last but not least is the candy dates. This is another deal I saw California Clipper post. And so we're going to grab two of them. We're going to grab two different flavors. There's 4 different flavors. We have $2 back on Hummingbird for each flavor. And then we also have a buy one, get one free offer for Isle. So I grabbed two of them at $3.49. I paid $6.98. I got back $3.49 on Isle and $2 for each on Hummingbird. I'm making them both a 51-cent moneymaker. With that being said, I will see you at home for the final breakdown. Here is my complete haul for today. This worked out good. I only had like 3 receipts. Let me show them to you real quick. Everything worked out good. All the coupons that I used today scanned. The Muscle Milk, the Arm & Hammer, the toothpaste. I gotta take that back, y'all, because one of you guys had shared that the Arm & Hammer offer on the sister apps, buy 2 get 4. They must have changed it to exclude Walmart, and I hadn't checked it prior. And so I just don't want to pay 97 cents for the toothpaste. I really don't. So I'm going to return it. There goes the Airwick $3 Knox coupon. It's scanning. The Finish, because one of you guys said you tried it and didn't work for you. And it's still scanning. The one, I'll pop up the one that I have. I think I only have a couple left, maybe. So I'll pop up if I didn't in the previous clip. But all the coupons that I used today, they all scanned. And then the top one is the Degree. I did find more Degree, which was awesome that I went back today. And then I picked up the Glade again. Now that offer is still pending on Tada. And to be honest, the person that shared it, had I known that it was in review, or it was still pending, I wouldn't have done it. I don't know why when I did it, I thought that it went through for her. And so that's why I was okay with trying it. But I will most likely be returning that one that I used that $6 printable with. And then this is the one I did at Target. And so, yeah, I always buy extra bags at Target because I need them for customers. And like literally, look, I have a stack here and I just keep adding more bags to it. So whenever I go, I try to get like 6 or 7. But that particular self-checkout register only had, I think, 3 or 4. So that's all I got. And so I only had a few receipts today, which was pretty good. I mean, I like when I can just do one transaction instead of doing a bunch of them. But when my hauls spread, 3 days, 4 days out, then that's why I always end up with a ton of receipts. Now, when I did the Degree, it said few left, and I was waiting in line, and it's been so busy lately at Walmart because kids are going back to school, and so I was in self-checkout. There had to be a good 15 people in line. By the time I got up there, y'all, I had the page already on my phone, so all I had to do was scan the receipt, and it popped off. And so I was like, dang. But it's still a moneymaker for me because I got the clearance ones. But, yeah, so that one is gone. I probably will check it the next few mornings and see if it happens to pop back up, because when the dial disappeared, it did pop back up. Even though it was a limit of 1, it did pop back up. So I will keep checking on that. I've noticed lately, though, that my Checkout 51 receipts have taken a little longer to process. So they don't usually process until the next morning. What else? My receipt for the candy dates for Isle, that one went through. I did get the offer as well for Hummingbird, which this is only my 2nd time using that one. Blue Stripes, that one for Social Nature. Keep you guys posted as if I do get credit for both of those. I anticipate that I will, but again, I'll let y'all know if I do. So I'm excited about the Muscle Milk. I wanted to get the strawberry flavor, but that one is like $7.98. And so I just got chocolate and vanilla. Again, if I didn't mention, I did find those hang tags at Food for Less, which is a Kroger affiliate. And yeah, so with that being said, I'm gonna kind of run through this really quick. And so everything you see here, which was $109.78. I had $33 in coupons. It brought the out of pocket down to $76.78. Ibotta was $38.50. Swagbucks $23. Social Nature is $9.98. PayPal, you guys. You guys, PayPal worked. One of you guys mentioned that you were able to still cash out, and I hadn't tried it. I was just like, okay, I'm just thinking, okay, what am I do? What am I do? What am I do? As far as being able to redeem those rewards. And so I did it right now for $6.92, and it went through. I'll pop up a couple screenshots. I was able to transfer it to cash, and it is in my PayPal, which is cool. So that's awesome. Hummingbird is $4. IO is $3.49. So getting back a total of $98.89 is going to make everything you see here free, plus a $22.11 moneymaker, which is pretty awesome. Happy about the muscle milk, like I said. I guess I'm a little excited about the candy dates and the blue stripes because that just gives me an opportunity to try something new. And I think that's the thing I do like about a lot of the free apps that we use nowadays. IL, Social Nature, WeStock, and Hummingbird. This is again my second time using it, but a lot of the items that we get through those apps are items that we probably haven't tried before. And so it does give me a chance to try new things, which is really cool. And so with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button on your way out the door. Of course, don't forget to hype your girl up as well in the comments. What is your favorite deal? Were you able to score on the chapstick deal? I know it's probably dead by now. And let me know if you're able to cash out for PayPal. All right, so with that being said, again, I hope you have an amazing day, night, whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.